Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use emotes in Anime Vanguard. Emotes are a fantastic way to express yourself and add personality to your gameplay. You can access the emote menu with a simple button press, usually one of the directional pad buttons or a dedicated key. From there, you'll find a selection of expressive animations to choose from. Whether you want to celebrate a victory or show a bit of friendly rivalry, emotes make every match more engaging and fun for everyone involved. To begin using emotes, you first need to access the emote menu during a match. For console players, this is often the up button on your directional pad. PC players should consult their game settings to confirm the specific keybind, which can usually be customized. Once pressed, a radial menu will appear on your screen, presenting you with a quick and easy way to select your desired expression. It's designed for fast, in-the-moment communication. Once the radial menu is open, selecting an emote is straightforward. Use your controller's analog stick or your mouse to highlight the specific emote you want to perform. There are typically 8 to 12 different emotes available at any given time. After highlighting your choice, simply release the button or click your mouse, and your character will immediately perform the selected animation. This allows for quick reactions and dynamic interactions with other players. Beyond the initial set, there are many more emotes to discover and unlock. You can acquire new emotes by simply playing the game and advancing through its various levels. Additionally, the in-game store frequently offers exclusive emotes for purchase, allowing you to further customize your character. Keep an eye out for special events, as these often provide unique, limited-time emotes as rewards for participation. Completing specific in-game challenges is another excellent way to expand your emote collection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.